Yesterday, I talked about how we, as Jamaicans, we have our like a smile mindset. We don't try to elevate our mindset, and that's a lot. That is the reason that is a lot of us problems where we don't elevate ourselves and get like change our mindset for better achievement. And one of the reasons why I want to do this video, I want to shed some light on some things, right? So growing up, I shared that with you yesterday. Growing up, right, we don't have this education towards how we should treat money, how we should make money work for us. We don't have that mindset. I have learned that on my own. And I have practiced things and practiced how to do things to level up my mindset to better. All right, like for instance, um, growing up, we never have bank account. We never have no bank account. When me have my first bank account, I when me that work at a company, and the only reason why we get bank account there is because it did a cutout in a Jamaica. You cannot give people check no more or cash. You have to lodge them paycheck in a the account. And my boss do everything when him could have do to hold it back and to tell him couldn't do it no more. Him have to make we get paid through the bank. Right? So your salary come through the bank. Alright, so after that start happening, I get a bank card now. Me eventually have a credit card. Me max out the credit card in a known time, knowing say that is not my money. It is not my. I'm gonna stay for this video, because me have some gems when me want give in that video here. Me know say that was not my money. At that time, I think I maybe about 2026, so. But I was so excited to get the little money. I don't even remember how much money they dip on it. But I was so excited. But when it's to pay back, knowing that my salary could have barely make it. Me have to pay and not understand nothing about credit card, Me have to pay all this money what at interest. I pay money like wow for interest, me I tell you. So me couldn't manage it. So instead of me have to pay the money where me owe, me have to pay the bank the interest. And the money still a owe. So, cause my little salary was supposed to take care and pay them buy little food, this, that. But me get the little loan for the car and it's like me could have barely pay it. At that time, I have court bill, I have rent for pay, I have pitney I go to school, food for buy, I need to find lunch money. I mean, nobody help me do no. They pay me one. So, you look at chop and some me that work, could have barely make it. So when me tell us me eat dumpling and butter, me eat dumpling and butter a lot of time. But as me say, money management was horrible. Horrible, horrible, horrible. And as a Jamaican, we mindset just not educated when it comes to money. And this is when we really want to share with you. We don't think about what to come. We think about what is happening now, right? We not think like we get a lump sum of money. We not think say put something in our little something where can earn a little interest and don't look on it. Like for instance, you have to pay your rent every single month. Anywhere the money come from, you have to find it, right? Or your mortgage, whichever one. You are gonna bust your shot to find it. You are gonna bust your shot to find it, because your mindset set up that way there. Why is it that you don't bust your shot to find a little penny to put on in your retirement? You have to plan for your future. Because guess what? If you don't plan for it, it'll go plan for you. And a lot of we say, oh, I mean I must live to see future. The fact of the matter is you say that out of your mouth, hey, you are bury yourself because the power is in the tongue. The power is in the tongue. So it's like you're literally a code on your own self. Don't put that on your pitney them life. Always plan for your future because you never know what's gonna happen. You are work You have to just leave things in a God hand and live. Yes, them tell you live every day like a year last, but that's not the point. You must plan for your future. You must plan. So if you not get it, then if you feel like okay, if you feel that way they like where you're sitting, you have children, make sure you set it up a way where them can inherit it. You hear me tell you? Set it up where your children them can inherit it. Madonnas, that's why you see some people reach some age and them they on street. They're not on a plan for them future. And when me tell you say some of them people here are people will make money in their life. They not on a plan. They live every day like at the last. And that them try to put in your head. They not try to teach you how to grow wealth so you can not hungry in the future. If God forbid you can't help yourself, you can't work, you have a little money put one side for somebody can take care of you when you get old. That's why I see too much old people go through so much things in their life. And because people don't want to change their mindset. They don't want to change their they set in themselves in a one little shallow box. And they expect say, just like you see on social media, you see some big woman out there rant and a drag down people and a cuss for them find something progressive to do with themselves. Talk and teach the youth them something positive. Then get up every day and end up on people page. I tear them down. I put be a rude comment and then something that in a people video. It's terrible. They not set no example for the youth them, me I tell you. And that is where you call them waste out their life and then turn around turn trouble to people. They're not even humble with it so people have like a sympathy with them when certain things happen to them. You understand? And it is sad. We never used to plan for we look at chop hands because as soon as they put a little money in the account, we eager for done it. We so eager for spend off every penny. All when we don't need the things, we eager for spend it. So money management is horrible, horrible for poor people. And that's why the poor will always be poor because they don't understand how money, you should make money work for you. Try to flip money. Try to do, to make it work. I may get it sometimes. It's not what you spend, it's how you spend it. That is a fact. Because there was a time when I wasn't working for 3 years. And I'm sharing this with you. I wasn't working for 3 years. And when I tell you I don't go online and I don't buy nothing, say, that's when me snap out of this because I used to be a shopaholic. I used to spend every penny. It's like I couldn't wait to spend out the money out of my account. Can I speak from experience? No, me supposed to download one app for $100 on my phone for start up my car and time cool. I mean I tell you no say I don't mean, but me try to spend wisely. Not even $100 for the year me no want to give them. If it not needed, me can go to the door, go start up my car and come back in. Even though I for the whole year. But that is only for 3 months. We can start up my car. I only need to start up my car for 3 months when the time get cold. So me no want to give them $100 because I feel like me are giving them $100 every year just to make them more richer than me. So it's like you have to put your money where it's necessary. As some me feel now about things. Me never have the mindset there. All right, go back into this now. If you're living in the US, there is banks here. You have Capital One. You have even somebody was telling me about PayPal. I don't join PayPal. Bank savings, but there is so much other bank. There is this bank near Marcus. If you're not interested in that, when me are telling you say, wanna let me know. We can do a little short content and maybe share a link or something in it. And if you're not interested in the bank, just put bank in the comment section. Um, what I'm saying is that if you're doing like a partner draw and you get a partner, right? And you get a partner draw and you want to say, all right, me get $1,000 for my partner draw. And you really want to lock $500, knowing say you're not gonna think about the $500 and spending it, and you want to put it in there and open that account. Put it in there, open that account. There's Capital One that give you 4 point something percent and Marcus, but Marcus give you 4.7%. I know about Marcus because I have a Marcus account. And I have a link that I can share with you guys. So if you want it, just let me know. So I can tell you more about it, how to join it and so forth. You get 4.7% every week or every fortnight when you get paid. If you put $20 into that account, after you get one partner job, open it with a little money, you know. So for instance, say you open it with $500. If every fortnight when you get paid, just like how you prepare for your rent, burn your belly and prepare for this. Block your mind from it and don't spend it. What me say enough you do. Don't think say you have it there so you can't go spend it. No, that's not what it's for. That is a rainy day and you need to put on something for rainy day. So why you do that rainy day savings, it'll grow 4.7%. And at the end of the year, them also give you a bonus. Yes, then give you a little bonus at the end of the year if you did it for a period of time. Something like that. But I'm just telling you, the 4.7% is almost, and it'll go to 5% soon. I'm just saying that you do that. Put $120 in there every time. You know, have a bank account. Everything is 100% online. But as I tell you, me can't help you to get there if you're not interested. And me not treat people the way me not want nobody treat me. So me can't just tell you the info. Me not have to tell you no, but me can't share things with you now. You understand? Leave it. You pay your rent, you not get it back. You not get back your rent. That's something where you live out. Treat the bank account like that. That same account there. And say, that have me rainy day. We have to let go the mindset where we just want to spend off everything. We have to let it go. We have to. We have to let go that mindset. Else we're not gonna reach nowhere. We don't think about having assets. A lot of us, we don't think of having assets. We think of paying rent for the rest of our life. We not try to figure out how to buy one little house, how to build up one little house. None of that. None of that. You left your country and you migrate to somebody else's country. The income probably small as a single person, but there is ways that you can get a little property. There's ways in the system where them have low income people where them get some assistance, some, you know, I think low income have some assistance there where you can just find out if them have it in your community. If they don't have it in your community, move out of that community and go in one community where have it. Go live. Live the fair period at time. And you can get it from there. Simple. The next thing is once you get a property, just prepare for itch up in it. If you're a single person, itch up. Just itch up in there and make it work for you. I have known this lady that purchased our house here. And she's a single person. And she saved her money for years to 3, 4 jobs. And she started to make a good look of money now where, you know, then we lend her the loan for the house because she had to 3, 4 jobs. So all our paycheck then combined could have able to purchase the house. And may I share this with you because people now have no excuse. Um, the lady get the house, and this is what she do. It's a two family. The basement never finished. She borrow her money from the bank. She finished the basement and she rent it to a couple. The money where she pay a month time was the mortgage at 2,000 something dollar. And the basement alone was say 1,000 something dollar because a 2 bedroom, living room, and bathroom, and I like a plug-in stove there. Because they don't use gas down there, they use electric down there. So that alone was over $1,000 she get for that, right? And her mortgage at 2,000 something. Then she live on the second floor and she rent the top floor. The top floor rent for almost $2,000. So it balanced right out and she and her whole entire family live on the second floor. She and her pitney them and her parents then live on the second floor. And the house a pay for itself. So when me I try to tell you say, she and her family them a live because I think I like 5 bedroom they on the second floor. So all our pitney them and our parents have room on the second floor. And she not paying no. So all our money where she a work, I save. And now she a think of buying another house. So you can do it, and she did it as a single person. Our parents them now work for help her. You can do it. That is no excuse. And when me tell you say, a home health aid work she do. Home health aid. Okay? She do home health aid work. Hospice. So you don't have no excuse. Sometimes I hear some people say, oh, me not have no husband. Me not have no husband here. And it's hard for me alone to do it. But you make the money. You work. That is no excuse. Get the property. Let me tell you, there's something not finished about the story. If she fi sell that house then now, the house value over $500,000. When she did buy the house couple years ago, she buy the house for almost $200,000. Right? Hmm. The house value over $575,000. The house value now. That is the value of the house. But if she want more feet, she can get it. Because house market hot right now. She can get it. That me I tell you now. So to say this to say that if she fi sell it now, knowing that she not paying a mortgage how much years now in a for her house. She'll make over how much in money. Remember she already pay off how much in years already. So she'll gonna make how much in money on her house right now. You know how much money she'll make on her house now? So she maybe owe maybe about like 100,000 on her house. So 575,000, that the money they can go buy a whole house cash. That you call assets. So no waste time and tell people say, when you can't do this and you can't do that and things hard. You have to think wise. When she work her money, she save her money. She not depend online and shop. She left her work to work because she want to achieve. And I'm just saying this to you. You have to level up your mindset and you cannot think I want like one little cube in our box. You have to level it up. If you're there, set up your little rat IRA. If you have a little I have another video where I want to share with you. And the next video I gonna be about when you're there in America and I hustle and I work for yourself. You have to know where you are do. I mean know people will get in trouble with their things there. So I'm gonna share some tips with you where you do. Anyways, my Donna, big up on yourself, more blessings and prosperity. Maybe there was more things leave to add it on this video. Maybe me left off some, but if I watch it over and I see say something left me, maybe we do another video another day and share tips with you same way. But I have a jam when I want to share with you about when you're there and you work private and I do your own thing. Okay? Big up on yourself. Take care. More blessings and prosperity. Please remember to hit the like button and share my videos with your friends and family. Okay? Bye, guys. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Adios.